This is the most healthiest way of having kebab. Less oil, more of the flavors, and the meat is still juicy. We all had kebabs grilled on the charcoal, but today we are making it in the oven. Let's start. We'll add the keema first, onions, red chili powder, garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, black pepper powder, green chilies, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, gram flour, salt and chopped coriander. Mixing all the ingredients together gives a good flavor and aroma to the mutton kebab. Mutton mince is mixed with spices to build flavors. Usually kebabs को skewers में बनाते हैं, उसका patties भी बनता है, but today we are going to do it little different. Let's check what it is. Place the mutton mixture on the center of the paper. Place another sheet of brown paper on the top, and then using a rolling pin, flatten the mixture. Gently peel off the top sheet of the bottom paper, leaving the kebab mixture exposed on the bottom paper. Carefully roll the kebab mixture into a log-like shape. Transfer the rolled kebabs onto a tray lined with parchment paper and get ready to grill them at 170 degrees for 22 minutes. See how beautiful the kebab looks without using any oil. On a pita bread, add the Roman lettuce, sliced onions, sliced tomatoes, oven-cooked kebab mixture, and drizzle the yogurt sauce. The viral mutton kebab placed on the pita bread looks tempting. I have to taste it and let you know how it is. Delicious. This is the most healthiest way of having kebab. Less oil, more of the flavors, and the meat is still juicy. Too good. Do like, share and subscribe to India Food Network.